So I just got this really cool air duster right here. This is from YOTON. They sent this out to me to try out. I think it's really, really cool. Having these is really useful for cleaning, dusting, etc. So yeah, fits in the hand really nicely. There's a little trigger right here. There's a power button there on the back. It is a USB-C. Comes with the charging cable there. Comes with a few different nozzles there, so you can just twist it on and off like that. Comes with different attachments there. Use whichever one you like. Really useful for cleaning, dusting. Great for cleaning keyboards like this. And here you can see it. He's using it outside. Great for cleaning your patio, around the house, garage, your car, etc. And you can see the amount of power that it puts out here. Nice and strong. So yeah, really, really nice little air duster. Power lasts quite a long time. Charges up fairly quickly. So if you're looking for a really nice air duster, definitely give this one a look.